from having a pee in the wonderful hotel. Now, just looked left and right for road safety. Just like it doesn't matter if the car's just coming from the right, they could be just coming from the... They could just break the rules and just come from the left too, so... I don't know why. I told you that before. So, if you didn't listen, you're dumb. Dumb, dumb, dumb. Like big fat dummy. Anyways, yet again, my sister doing something on her phone. Anyways, we are now going to a cool bit of the place. Well, we're not going there, I've been there. It's the swimming pool over there. It may not look big, but it is big when you make it inside. Do never judge a book by its cover. So anyways, going past these beautiful flowers that me, Ethan Firmage made. And we're going to some more that I made. So these ones are like the white ones, like over there. These ones are purple and those ones are pink. So they're cool. I really should have planted better seeds. But who the freak cares? We've been to me and my sister so me and my sister, my mum and dad, me, my sister, my mum and my dad have been to West Midlands Safari Park today. And it was fun, to be honest. It wasn't bad like every day else. You're freaking looking at me half the time, looking at my face. I'm freaking stupid, like flipping hands on the most important thing in the world. Just like your face. This is my face. This is my face. This is my face. Yeah, terrifying. So, hope you like this video. Video vlog. Vlog video. Vlog video, video vlog. So, my sister is playing with a panda phone. Flip it around there. We'll see from the other side. See, it's a phone. It's her new cover. And also she's doing dangerous tasks. But we'll be back with my face indeed.